To change or reset your Snapchat password on Android, just follow these quick and simple steps. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down and tap on password. Snapchat will now ask you to enter your current password. After that, type in your new password, confirm it by entering it again, and then tap save. Make sure your new password is strong using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. If you forgot your current password, log out of the Snapchat app first. On the login screen, tap Forgot your password. Then choose whether you want to reset it using your phone number or email address. Follow the instructions sent via text or email to set a new password. That's it. You have now successfully changed or reset your Snapchat password on Android. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.